At Marine Jet Power, we are your technical partner, shaping propulsion capability from requirement to operational readiness. From defense operations to commercial fleets, our engineering and advisory services reduce risk, improve integration, and maximize performance. We engage early, supporting requirement definition, operating profile analysis, and vessel design, and remain involved through integration, sea trials, and through-life optimization. Using advanced performance prediction and computational fluid dynamics, our engineers model flow behavior, inlet performance, and thrust characteristics to accurately predict performance across mission profiles. Working closely with shipyards, naval architects, and operators, for unmanned and optionally crewed platforms, open interfaces and APIs enable seamless integration with autonomous control systems. The result? Reliable thrust, precise control, and performance where it matters most. Engineering and Advisory by Marine Jet Power.